Imagine waking up in the morning and discovering that many of the tasks you normally spend hours doing have already been completed. Your emails are organized. Your customer questions have been answered. Your business reports have been generated. Your data has been analyzed. And your schedule has already been optimized. Sounds like science fiction? It isn't. This is the world of artificial intelligence automation. In 2026, AI automation is rapidly changing the way people work, businesses operate, and industries make decisions. And the biggest question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will change our lives. The real question is, how much will it change them? In this video, we're going to explore what AI automation really means, how it works, why businesses are adopting it so quickly, and how it is transforming industries around the world. So let's get started. First, what exactly is AI automation? Artificial intelligence automation is the combination of artificial intelligence and automation technology. Traditional automation follows instructions that humans have programmed in advance. For example, imagine a system that automatically sends an email every Monday morning. Follows a fixed rule. If Monday arrives, send the email. But AI automation is much more powerful. Instead of simply following fixed instructions, an AI-powered system can analyze information, recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt to new situations. This means AI automation can handle tasks that previously required human judgment. You are already using AI automation, probably without realizing it. When Gmail automatically detects spam, that's AI working behind the scenes. When Netflix recommends a movie based on what you've watched before, that's AI analyzing your preferences. When Google Maps predicts traffic and suggests a faster route, artificial intelligence is helping make that decision. And when a bank detects a suspicious transaction and immediate. In part 1, we explored what AI automation is, how it works, and how it is already transforming industries such as healthcare, education, finance, manufacturing, retail, agriculture, transportation, and cybersecurity. But now we need to look at something even more interesting. What happens next? Where is AI automation going? And what could the world look like between 2026 and 2030? One of the biggest developments we are already seeing is the rise of AI agents. So what exactly is an AI agent? A traditional AI assistant usually waits for you to give it an instruction. You ask a question and it gives you an answer. But an AI agent can go much further. An AI agent can be designed to understand a goal, create a plan, use different tools, perform multiple steps, and work toward completing a task. Imagine telling an AI, find the best laptops under my budget, compare their specifications, check reviews, create a comparison, and help me choose the best option. Instead of simply answering one question, an intelligent agent could potentially break the task into multiple steps. Could search for information, compare products, analyze specifications, organize the results, and present a recommendation. This is where AI automation becomes much more powerful. Instead of automating one small task, businesses can automate entire workflows. Imagine a company receiving hundreds of customer emails every day. A traditional system might simply forward those emails to employees. But an AI-powered workflow could read the messages, understand what customers need, classify the requests, find relevant information, generate a response, and send simple replies automatically. More complicated requests could be forwarded to a human employee. This creates a hybrid system where AI handles routine work while humans handle important decisions. Another major trend is the integration of AI with business software. Modern businesses use many different applications. They might